Tea time with Trav. People are just now being disgusted with R. Kelly because he came out that he was messing around with little boys. And you can't believe he would do something like that. Believe it. It happens. It's nasty. It's sick. There's nasty and there's sick people in this world. What's going on, y'all? It's AyooTravv and I'm back, biggity back. I'm back again. Y'all, today I have soul food. This is from Busy Bee Cafe. I have half smothered chicken over a bed of rice. I have mac and cheese. I have candy yams. Yeah. And I had a muffin. I forgot to get some of the junkies in the kitchen, but I don't feel like getting up. So, I'll get up in a second. Father God, I come here to ask you watch over this food. Please let me be a nourishment to my body. Please let me not just this food. God, please you in my prayer. Amen. Amen. One more time. Amen. How is y'all day going today? Ooh, I'm gonna just ooh, it's hot. Ooh. I'm gonna get y'all a close. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna get y'all a close up. I'm putting this right on down because it's hot. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. That gravy is good. Ooh. That is good. They gave me a little to-go situation. Ouch. Jesus. Little to-go situation. I'm probably going to be using it because this right here. Oh my. Oh, it's coming apart everything. Tender. This one I'm talking about. I'm gonna go get my water, y'all. 1 second. I'm back, y'all. I'm filming this on a Sunday. I was craving soul food. Ooh. Woo-hoo. See what the mac and cheese give me. Oh, this is good. Tap into this rice. Anybody that has been in Atlanta for a while, y'all know about Busy Bee. Yeah, I haven't had this since I first moved here in 2012. I seen it on the Food Network, so I went and try it. And I ain't had it since. Ooh. If Heaven had a soul food section, I'd be in it. How's your day going? Did I ask all that? I'm sorry. I feel like I've been so worried about the food. I'm corny, y'all. I know. I'm a loser. Whew. Tea time with Trav. Oh, excuse me. Let's have us a little chitter chat. See, I hope this buttery. I hope this is buttery. Okay, let me try this again. It's dry. It's dry. I could tell by the way it feels that it was gonna be dry. I was hoping it wasn't. Ooh. Now this stuff is good. Oh my God, it's a big old breast. Ooh, okay. Y'all see that? All right. Let's talk about the jackass. I mean, the baby. So y'all know, we talked about what, the comments he made in the previous video. And karma is coming back to bite him. So, the baby has been dropped from a couple endorsement deals and even festivals that he was supposed to perform at because of his ignorant comments and the fact that he refuses to apologize and genuinely mean it. And it just shows how big, it shows how big his ego is. That's it, that's all. It's like some people have too much pride to say that they were wrong. He don't see anything wrong in what he said or what he did or how he's moving. And it shows. And he claims to be unbothered. But if he was so unbothered, I don't think that he would keep speaking on it as much as he is. And I don't know about y'all, but if I was losing millions of dollars, I would be bothered. Like, I knew what he said was bad and I knew it was going to get bad. But when people like Elton John, Madonna, etc., Questlove, when they start speaking out against him, I said, oh, this is bad. It's just the fact that he won't take accountability for his actions. He doesn't think he did or say anything wrong, and he has that mentality of, oh, I'm a real N-word. Y'all not gonna bully me into apologizing, etc., what have you. Nobody's trying to bully him into apologizing. People just want him to admit that he was wrong. You said how you feel. What is that? You said how you feel. We understand how you feel. And we know you're going to feel that way. But for you to not even attempt to show any empathy towards your fans that may be carrying or may have been affected by anything you said, that shows that your name, DaBaby, was given to you for a reason. That's what you are. A baby. A child. And then T.I. had the nerve to say that the LGBTQ community is bullying rappers. Shut up. Shut up. How can we be bullying when we've been bullied? That makes no sense. Y'all think y'all can say whatever. And anybody can clap back. That's the problem. And it's the same way when it comes to race. People have been oppressed, discriminated against, told that they're taking it too serious, it's not that serious, it's not that deep, etc. And then when those people come back at them, now they're the aggressors. Save it. Save it. But boom, I'm done talking about that for right now until they say something else to piss me off. But let's talk, let's talk about R. Kelly. I don't know if y'all knew this, but new evidence has come out that suggests that R. Kelly had a secret relationship with multiple little boys. And he apparently met them at McDonald's and, engaged in stuff. It's still a family-friendly channel, so I don't want to go into detail. but I want to give y'all enough details so that you are aware. Anyway, people are just now being disgusted with R. Kelly because it came out that he was messing around with little boys. Where was all this outrage when he was doing it to women? Little girls. Y'all still had people wanting to step in the name of love, and y'all was saying that they were lying, yada, yada, yada. But now y'all are so disgusted and ill, and you can't believe he would do something like that. Believe it. It happens. It's nasty. It's sick. There's nasty and there's sick people in this world. But listen, anybody from Chicago, I'm not even from Chicago, I'm from the suburbs, but I've met R. Kelly at a McDonald's. So this McDonald's story is not hard to believe. I literally met R. Kelly at McDonald's. And he pulled me and my friends to the side talking to us. He spilled some of the tea on Trapped in the Closet before it was even released to me and my friends. So I know for a fact what people are saying is not a lie. It's not. R. Kelly lived in a suburb that was maybe, 20 minutes away from me? I have friends out there at different high schools. I've seen him at football games. None of this is new. People are just now believing it. None of this is new. Literally. I also saw people saying, let me backtrack real quick. The fact that some of y'all are just now being disgusted with R. Kelly's actions because y'all found out that he molested little boys as well, but you didn't have the same energy when it was a girl. One, shows that y'all don't care about protecting women. Two, it also shows how homophobic y'all are on the inside. Let that sink in. That man is nasty. He's nasty. And honestly, he's probably going to be in jail for the rest of his life. And apparently his legal team is trying to get them to throw out the case with the boy because they claim that people are going to be biased and judge him differently because it has something to do with boys. I heard, sir, out of all the cases that is pending against you, you more concerned about people finding out that you like boys or men, whatever. Oh. And not the fact that you're sick and perverted. That's a little outrageous to me. Definitely is outrageous to me. But this is the cruel, cruel world that we live in, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know who needs to hear this. R. Kelly's a pervert. Some of y'all say y'all can separate the art from the artist. In a lot of cases, I can't. Sometimes I can. Sometimes I can't. That's one of them. There's no way that I can sit and listen to an R. Kelly song about sex and not think that he could possibly be talking about a child. I can separate that. I'm good. I'm good. I deleted all the baby music on my phone too. I'm good. And I'm full. On top of that, woo! That was good. All right, y'all. I'm about to go sign out. So you already know. Check the description box below for the website, www.AyooTravv.com. Then get the ASS, Airmuch, AirDrip, all that. You can see me do this. That's not really on my website, but I will be doing this in every video because I'm proud of my length. But anyway, that's fine. If you're not subscribed to the channel, the right there, hit the bell right there, so you'll be notified each and every time I drop a new video. But if you want to stay connected with the AyooTravv, jump back into the description box, go down to the bottom, boom. Right there on the social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, at me, follow me, let me come on Instagram, let me come here, do whatever. Let me know what's like, but don't like, but you want to see what you don't want to see, what you want me to say, what you don't want me to say, what you want me to say, what you want me to say, what you want me to say. Other than that, it's been real. AyooTravv is out.